So guys, this is my grandma's house tour. So guys, enjoy. Let's start from here, and we are having here like plants, money plants and others. And we can say here this is a small garden, and we have a bathroom, and that is a money plant, and bathroom is also like small only. And this we can say one hall, like whoever guest arrives to our home, they can say chit chat here. And this is our home, and hall also inside. So here there only kitchen, and there is one room inside, and this is one more room, so no one sleeps here. So we packed our luggage here. And this side, if you go this side, here we gave rent. Actually this full home is ours only. So here there is a one room, so rent people are staying here. So that it is just a small room, like storeroom also is there. And this is the hall, like small hall we bought. And this is a kitchen, like kitchen is little big and huge also. So, and this is one more room, like storeroom, two rooms. And next if you go, and there is a bathroom, and if you go for backside you'll get all two bathrooms. And we are having here one flower plant, this like backyard for us, and we're having plants, everything. And this is teak tree. And if you go to terrace, and this is our terrace, and there we didn't kept any support like this side and this side, we just left it free. And that side. Thank you guys. Like this video, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next day 3. Bye guys.